Good morning, team. It's 12:30. We've made it to New Jaipur railway station in Siliguri. That was 17 and a half hours of pure joy. Just trying to find a cab to get us to the hostel, and then we can get some proper sleep. 2 o'clock in the morning. 23 hours ago, I was dozing, ready to get up at 3 o'clock to start the journey. The journey was delayed till 6 in the morning. Hello, my friend, how are you? And we arrived in Siliguri. The hostel that we checked into was difficult to find. The guy was an idiot when we got there, so we walked out on him. We walked through the town and found this lodge. And the guy is lovely. He's given us a slight discount on this twin room. There's hot water. We're not far from the station. And so, yeah, it is 2 o'clock in the morning, 23 hours on the road. Oof.
একবার তুই ফোন করে কথা বলে নে না, আমি ফোন করলাম বললো আমাকে পাঠাই নাই। Hello sir. Namaste. You can go Santa Banda Dhaba.
Where's that?
Santa Banda Dhaba is one of the most famous dhaba in our west.
Here it comes. Thank you.
May I take this menu?
Yeah. So after 80 kilometer, was it 2-hour drive? Wiggly, windy roads, we've made it to Darjeeling. That's it, it's out the window. But in here, of course, we thought, no coffee just yet. Darjeeling tea. Just like Tesco. The bike in the restaurant, great sunlight, great shot, great job.
Good morning.
Morning team, you join me up here on a rooftop in Darjeeling, trying to get a better perspective of the world famous toy train as it comes through these tight streets on the very small tracks that it runs along. It's pretty insane. I've nearly been hit by it a couple of times, but I wanted to get a better perspective than being down on the road, because most of the time when you're on the road, cars pull up in the way and you can't get shit. So up here, nothing's going to disturb me. The hardest decision I have is whether to shoot video on the phone or use my camera to take the pictures. So they might be lucky, I might get 2 trains at once. I've been waiting for about 30 minutes, nothing's come through. But generally you will hear them before you see them, so I'm hoping not too long. 45 minutes on this rooftop. You know, I can't really complain, it's a beautiful place to hang out. But I'm just terrified to go back down the steps, because I'm going to get down to the track and then the trains are going to come along. So Just have faith, patience, persistence, and probably a train timetable might have helped. Still going strong. Whew. 1 hour waiting. We got the diesel train first and I videoed that because I wanted to try and bring everyone into the picture, show the flow of the track around the bend. Then I went downstairs, went to the shop, walked down there, and then I heard the steam train, so I had to leg it back up here. Steam train just came around the corner, it's just disappeared, copped a face full of smoke, but I decided to photograph that one just to make it a bit different. So same scene, 2 trains, 2 different ways to shoot it. Hopefully it comes out good. If not, I've had an enjoyable hour and a bit of anticipation and waiting to see if I didn't mess it up. That's still jury's out on that one. Right, don't want to cop my head on that. And yeah, we'll head back down to the roadside, down all of these steps, and then time for breakfast. 1:15. Place this where we get the sample. You good?
Thank you.
Thank you, my friend. €380.
Oh, be careful. I don't have so much money with me.
Really beautiful skull.
Can you look at me?
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you. Things in Tibet, they have everything what we used to make them by hand only.
Looking. It's the best time to do it.
Yeah. All right, team, so it has been an amazing time in Darjeeling. Lots of photography, lots of trains, lots of walking. It's been bloody cold, but we are now heading towards a taxi that is going to take us to the next place.
Yeah, 5 minutes walk. It's Eastern. It's Gangtok Eastern.
Sonia.
5 minutes.
Okay.
We've just arrived at the taxi rank, and we're on the hunt for a shared taxi to Gangtok, which is in Sikkim, which is further north here from Darjeeling. And you got behind? Oh, them up there. Okay. 2 to Gangtok. You ticket man. This side? 2 to Gangtok. Yeah. How much? 400? 400. 2 person to Gangtok. Yeah. If we pay 6, can we take 4 spaces? 6, take 4 spaces. Or if we pay 6, can we have the middle space for bag?
4 person.
Yeah, 4 per person. But if we pay for 3 people, can we have a space to put our bag inside? The big bag on the roof. Yes. We'll pay for 3 people. Yeah. 3 seats, and then we can store our bags. Yeah. Where's he gone? Oh, there he is. So we pay for 3 seats.
So where from?
England. So we can have these bags with us. These big bags will go on the roof.
I know your name.
Tommy. What's your name?
Tommy.
What's your name?
Tommy.
Tammy.
Yeah.
You not got my name. What's your name?
Tommy.
Tammy. And Tommy.
Tommy. Okay.
And your
Same,
name?
same.
Your name?
Yeah.
Tammy.
Yeah.
Tammy. Tommy. Tommy.
Yes.
Tammy. Good to meet you. Right, guys. Money man. We need to pay the man the money. Time to pay the man the money. Chaos. Oosh. There's our ticket.
Over there. Still can go.
Up top. So we go there and up there. Cool. We're on the move. Thank you, guys. Without getting run down. Whew. Let's see how this ride goes. Big man, you feeling good? So, where does it say? Vehicle number 2781. It's this one here. This is our ticket to ride. Looks good. It's empty right now, so they can fit 10 people in these. We've obviously bought 3 seats, so there's 7 more people that we'll have to wait for. But that cost us 600, and if we'd hired the whole thing, 4 grand. So saving a bit of money so we can have more food. Thank you, my friend. Tammy's at the wheel. Are we good?
Yeah.
Good man.